Right, so as you can tell, my Dreamcast sounds a bit like a vacuum cleaner or a hairdryer. Don't worry about this noise. That's my son playing Pokemon in the next room. So, obviously we need to sort this out. Now, I got myself the little Noctua fan, and I ordered the 3D printed kit. However, where the fan should go, there's this metal plate. Now, apparently this only is on old VA zeros, but obviously mine is a VA1, so what gives? It must be, as these fellas have found, that it's something left over from manufacturing phase between 0 and 1. So they included it anyway, leaving people like us with a small problem. What to do next? Well, obviously we're going to chop a bit off. Nope. Nope. Yes. That'll do. So first things first, mark a little line because it's meant to be flush with the piece of metal that shows above it, so it needs to be a straight line like this. And this is rather tricky, trying to cut this with one hand while holding a camera phone with the other hand. Hooray! So that bit's cut off, we don't need that anymore, and we're left with a nice jagged line. Now, I got these grinder bits for my Dremel from Lidl. Well, it's not a Dremel, it's something else, but it does the same thing. Now we just have to straighten this out. Whoops. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, that should do the job. So there it is, all nice and flush. And there it is, clamped back in again. Plenty of room. See? Loose fit of the fan, fits in, okay. So, here's the 3D printed part for the fan. Small problem. One of the two parts of the clip that holds the fan gets in the way. This might be something else to do with it being part V01, VA1. Anyway, it doesn't fit. Haha! Bit of a hack job later, only one of the little retention knobs. Well, we only need one anyway. Next problem, the bolt doesn't fit all the way through. Who supplied this stuff? Honestly, that's far too thick. So, Stanley knife later, and it's a lot thinner. And now the bolt can go through. Put it all back together, and... it's like a sigh, more than a roar. Now it's time to play some games.